What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change out the third tail light on the Tahoe. It's an 03, but you can do it from a 2000 to a 2006. It's really pretty simple. All you got to do is open the back, and then you're going to have two screws up there, which we're going to zoom in here. So you're going to have a screw right here and a screw right here. Pretty straightforward. You're going to pop it out, pull it down, and there's going to be a rubber gasket. Once you got it off, you've got the rubber gasket. Just pull that off. Make sure you don't rip anything. It's just kind of clipped in like that. Okay, take the old one. Here, grab the new one. Now mine has plastic on it. I don't know if yours will, but take the new one. If you want to wash the gasket off, I'm going to wash this off real quick. Alright, so for this cleaning, we're going to use this Aero Protect, and it is for tire and vinyl dressing, so it should be good for this rubber. So we're just going to take it, give it a good spray. Oop. We'll turn it on. Give it a good spray here. Just wipe it off. It should be, get all the dirt and grime off it. It's been there for probably since 2003. Alright, so once this is clean, bring the new, and obviously we're just going to pop it in there. Make sure you get it in the right way. Now you'll notice on the top there, there's a hole right here. You want to make sure that you get that little pin right here into there. So we're going to clip it, snap it, and work it up in there. Make sure the seal is good. You get it in that little hole. And also there's a little plug right here. Make sure that plug is plugged in properly. That way you don't leak inside the cab. There it goes. Now pop it in there. And reverse the process, right? And there it is, y'all. Changing your third brake light for a 2000 to a 2006 Chevy Tahoe, Silverado, Suburban. They're all kind of the same, right? Yukons. So there it is. Enjoy it. Till the next time, be the ruckus, bring the ruckus, and I'm out. See you in the next one.